Parents are being alerted tonight after an Edgerton middle school student comes down with whooping cough. Doctors say if your child shows symptoms, it's crucial they see a doctor. NBC 15's Chris Woodard is here now with more.
John, whooping cough isn't all that rare, and most kids will be fine. But for infants and those who aren't immunized, the symptoms can be brutal. Whooping cough is a contagious bacterial disease that affects the respiratory tract. Anyone can be infected, but it can cause serious problems in infants and young children. Well, the primary concern right now is anyone in close contact with this student, particularly people in his or her home.
We have cases of pertussis or whooping cough almost every year in our county, but we do take it very seriously because it can be very serious for newborns, for infants that can't be fully immunized because they're too young.
Well, symptoms include runny nose, low fever, and a mild cough for 1 to 2 weeks that progresses into spells of coughing that can be followed by vomiting and exhaustion. If your child shows symptoms, there's a treatment, so it is crucial to immediately get them to a doctor.